Raining. Oh, lightning. I guess that was a bigger one of lightning. I saw once under this roof of under this part of the house there was some. I think it was because some plastic. Oh! Thunder booms. Boom. Wow, lightning. It's kind of flooding. Very. Kind of flooding. My mom said it's kind of flooding. That was an unbelievable one, huh, Mom?
Did you get that one on camera?
Yeah. Thunder. It's raining and thundering. Raining and thundering in Arizona. It's kind of flooding. You can see it, but it's not. You can't really feel it with your feet. And it's all kind of lightning. It's dangerous out here. So, when the sprinklers are on, it's flooding. Lightning! Again! That's a bad lightning.
Make a short video, Kat.
Oh, yeah, it's only 1 minute. And it's really thundering. Look at our trees still there. Everything's still there. Our bombs are still there. Okay, bye. I have to send.
Make a short video.